Yes, beta, I'm repeating. In this, you can see that powers are same. So I have written the power as 1 time and the base are different. So, and multiplication sign is there. So I have multiplied both the base in the bracket. So 3 will cancel out. We are left with minus 5 raised to power 4. So here minus 5 raised to power 4 means minus 5 will be multiplied 4 times. But in the question it is given that you have to simplify and write the result in the exponential form with the positive power. So power is positive and the question is to write it in the exponential form. So you will leave the answer here. But if the question is of simplification, then you will multiply it 4 times. But here we don't multiply because the question is to simplify and write the answer in the exponential form. Exponential means in the form of power. So that's why this is your answer. But if the question is of simplification, then you will multiply it 4 times. Yes, look here. Fifth part we are starting. Again, the base are different, but the powers are same. So you will use the same law, a raised to power m into b raised to power m. Base are in the multiplication form. So you will multiply the base and the power will be written 1 time. So in the same manner, base are different. So you will multiply the base and the power will be written 1 time. Now, as you can see that in the question, it is given that to simplify and write the answer in the exponential form with the positive power. So you will make this power positive. Now multiply this. 7 twos are 14. This will give you minus 14 raised to power minus 3. Now we want to convert it into positive manner because it is written. So you will convert it by using reciprocal or you can say multiplicative inverse. So when you make the reciprocal of this, this will give you minus 1 by 14 whole raised to power 3. So this is your answer, or you can write it in this manner also. 1 upon minus 14 whole raised to power 3. If you want to write whole cube, or you can write in this manner also. So both are the correct phrase. Now the next is question number 3. Question number 3, first part is 3 raised to power 0 plus 4 raised to power minus 1 bracket multiply by 2 raised to power 2. Now, firstly, you have to check out the question carefully. Is there any term that you can convert in the easier form? So we have one law. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. So 3 raised to power 0 will give you 1. So you will write the law here. You will write the value of this term as 1. And this will be written as, yes, can anybody tell me how we can write it in the simple form? Yes, can anybody tell me? Manyavi? So I have written this as 1. This we have made the reciprocal, and 2 square is your 4. And I have used a raised to power 0 as 1. So that you will write in the bracket. It's compulsory to write the law in the bracket. Now how you will solve this? As you can see that bracket is there and the terms are in the fraction form and the addition is there. Whenever addition or subtraction is there with the fraction term or rational number term, so you have to take LCM. We can't solve it without LCM, beta. So take LCM, this will give you 4 plus 1 by 4 into 4. So this is 5 upon 4 into 4. So 4 will cancel out. This will give you the answer as 5. Start this sum, beta. Try to solve this at your own. Negative power is there. So make the reciprocal of this term and then the reciprocal of this term. Both the terms are multiplying. So if you make the reciprocal of it, it will become 1 by 2 raised to power 1. So no need to write the 1. Here, if you make the reciprocal, it will give you 1 by 4. Divided by, make the power positive, it will give you 1 by 2 raised to power 2. Now solve this bracket first. Multiply this, that will give you 1 by 8. Divide sign is there. Keep the divide sign same. Multiply this, this will give you 1 by 4. Now, how you will solve the divide sign? Make the reciprocal of the second term, that will convert your divide sign into multiplication. 1 by 8, divide will change to multiply. Make the reciprocal of the second term, that is 4 by 1. Cancel it out, you are getting the answer as 1 by 2. Now, in this question, beta, as you can see that again the powers are in the negative form. So you will make the reciprocal of the base to make the power positive. So reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. No need to write 2 by 1. You can write simply 2 raised to power 2. Reciprocal of this is 3 raised to power 3 by 1, that you will write 3. 1 by 4 ka reciprocal 4 and the power will be positive. Now, 2 square is your 4. 3 square means 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9. 4 square is 4 into 4, that is 16. So when you add them, this will give you 25 plus 4, that is 29. So this is your answer of this question. But if the question is to simplify and write in the exponential form, so it's not possible for us to write it in the power form because this is a prime number. You can't make the factors of this. So the question is of simplify only. Fifth part. But as you can see that two powers are given to you. So you will use the law a raised to power m whole raised to power n, that is a raised to power mn. So power will be multiplied. Now, this base will be written as it is because no change will be there. So multiply the power minus 2 into 2, that is minus 2 by 3 raised to power minus 4. Now, convert this negative power into positive. Agar question mein likha hai, nahi likha, but you have to convert, you have to make it in the simpler form. So make the reciprocal of this. If you make the reciprocal of this term, you will write 3 upon 2, but negative sign you can put in the numerator or in the denominator. Both are the correct ways. So don't get confused about this. Minus you can put anywhere, and this, if you make the reciprocal, the power will be positive. Now the question is to simplify. Simplify means find the value, means you have to solve it. Actually, you have to find the single value for this. So it's compulsory to multiply this. Negative is there and the power is even. So negative with the even power will give you always positive answer. Agar yahan odd power hoti to answer will be negative, but even power is there, so your answer is positive. And 3 raised to power 4 upon 2 raised to power 4. Yes, can anybody tell me which law I have used here? Yes, who will tell me? Answer for this. You will multiply 3 4 times, that will give you 81. And 2 will be multiplied 4 times, that will give you, what you will get beta? 16. So your answer is 81 upon 16. So this is the value for this question. Actually, the question is to find the value and simplify. Both are the correct. Same name. Yes. Question number 4, first part I have written. As you can see that 8 is having negative power, 2 is having negative power. So if you make the reciprocal of these terms, the power will become positive. So if you make the, as you can see that 8 is in the numerator. So if you make the power positive, then it will be shifted to the denominator. 2 is in the denominator. So if you make the reciprocal, it will come in the numerator. So 8 will be written here in the denominator, that will make the power 1. 5 raised to power 3 is same because it doesn't have the negative power, so it will be keep same. Now this negative power, when you shift it in the numerator, it will become 2 raised to power 4. Is this clear, beta? So I have made the reciprocal of this. Numerator will come to denominator, denominator will come to numerator to make the power positive. Now 2 raised to power 4. But here are the two ways to solve this. Either you can apply the law or you can directly open the terms and cut it out, and after that whatsoever term is pending, that you will write in the answer. So I'm telling you both the ways. So firstly I have written this term same, 5 raised to power 3 same, and 8 you can see that if you factorize this, it will become 2 raised to power 3 because 2 cube will give you 8. Now These two terms are same because they have the same base and they are dividing. So the power will be subtracted by the second law of exponent. A raised to power m upon a raised to power n. The terms are dividing. So power will be subtracted. This is the first way. So subtract the power. This will go in the numerator. 4 minus 3 and 5 cube will be same. That will give you 2 raised to power 1 into 5 cube. The question is to evaluate. Evaluate means to find the value. Now, if you solve this term, you will get 125. So after multiplication, you will get 250 as your answer. So this is one of the way, and the another way I am discussing after this is, if you want to solve this, 2 cube is 2 raised to power 4 into 5 raised to power 3 upon 8. Then you can simply open up the terms and you can cancel it out. So whatsoever is pending, you will multiply this and you will write the answer. So both are the ways, beta. In this, I have used the law of exponent, but in this, I have simply opened up the term and cancel it out, and the remaining term will be your answer. Now look here, beta. As you can see that again the base are same and the terms are dividing. So powers will be subtracted by the second law of exponent. So I'm writing here a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. Then the power will be subtracted. So here also you will use the same law, 5 raised to power m minus of minus 3 equal to 5 raised to power 5. So when you solve this, minus minus will become plus equal to 5 raised to power 5. Now look here, these two terms are equal. As you can see that base are same, so power must be same because they have equality sign in the middle. Both are equal, that means base will be equal to base and power will be equal to power. So let's equate the power. M plus 3 is equal to 5, so m is equal to your 2. So in this we have to find the value of m that we have got as 2. Now look here, beta. In this you can see that powers are given 2 times. But don't make mistake. As you can see that the terms are there in the bracket and they have subtraction sign. So it's compulsory for you to solve the bracket first, and this minus power is for the whole bracket. So before using this power, you have to solve the complete bracket first. Otherwise, mistake you will make. Now, let's solve the bracket first. Negative power is there, so you will make the reciprocal. This will give you 3 raised to power 1. When you make the reciprocal of this, this will give you 4 raised to power 1. And this same bracket I am putting here. And minus 1 power is there, I have written same. Now, 1 is your wish if you want to write, otherwise you can skip this. 3 minus 4 will give you minus 1 whole raised to power minus 1. Yes, who will tell me the answer, how we can solve this? This is minus 1 upon 1. So if you make the reciprocal, it will give you 1 upon 1 minus and the power will become positive. Any doubt in this, beta? Minus 1 का मतलब क्या है? Minus 1 upon 1. अगर नहीं लिखना तो आपकी मर्जी है, but it will make your work easy. Minus 1 का मतलब है, minus 2 का मतलब क्या है? Minus 2 upon 1. Minus 100 का मतलब क्या है? Minus 100 upon 1. तो same manner में minus 1 का meaning क्या है? Minus 1 upon 1. Minus power is there, so make the reciprocal and the negative will become positive. Now, minus 1 की power 1 है, तो minus 1 की power 1 लिखो या minus 1 लिखो, एक ही बात है. तो आपका इसका आंसर आ गया minus 1. Now, as you can see that the powers are again negative, so you will convert the power into positive by making the reciprocal. Let's make the reciprocal of this. This will give you 8 upon 5 raised to power 7. Reciprocal of this is 5 upon 8 raised to power 4. Now here, beta. Yes, look here. Something in this, we have one problem. Again, the base is not same, power is not same, so we can't use the law here. But if you want to use the law here, so one step you have to do, you can keep this second term as same if you want to use the law here. This I have written as a reciprocal, that will make the power minus 7 as 7, and this I have written same, that will make your base same if you want to use the law here. So base are same, so that you will write one time and the multiplication sign is there, so powers will be added. If you make the reciprocal of both the terms, that it will not be possible for you people to apply the law here. In this case, that you will simply open up the terms and cancel it out. But if you want to use the law here, this trick should be known to you. Now 8 upon 5, when you subtract it, this will give you 7 minus 4, that is 8 upon 5 raised to power 3. Question is of simplification, then you will multiply this 3 times. If you make the cube of 8, that will give you 512. If you remember about the chapter cube and cube root, तो मैंने आपको बताया था अगर किसी टर्म के एंड में 8 होता है तो उसके क्यूब में 2 आता है, 2 होता है तो उसके क्यूब में 8 आता है. And the cube of 5 is 125. So this is your answer. Any doubt, beta? Is this clear, beta? In this, I have simply written the negative term in the numerator in the denominator, and the terms involving negative sign in the denominator will be shifted to the numerator. So let's make your all the terms positive. Now, solve this. 25 can be written as 5 square. This 5 cube is same. T raised to power 8 is same, and this 10 can be written as 2 5s are 10. Is this clear, beta? Now, these two terms are having the same base and they are dividing, so you will subtract the power 8 minus 4. Keep this thing in the mind that if you take this term in the numerator, this will give you minus 4. When you shift this in the numerator, it will become minus 4. That's why I have written minus 4 with this. Now, as you can see that in these two terms, base are same and they are multiplying, so power will be added. Is this clear? So you have to collect the like term to reduce the terms. Now if you add these two power, 5 raised to power 5, t raised to power 4, 2 into 5. Now this is 5 raised to power 1. They are dividing and the base are same, so power will be subtracted. So if you solve this, you will get 5 raised to power 4 upon 2 t raised to power 4. If you want to collect this term like this, you can. Or if you want to simply multiply this, this will give you 625 upon 2 t raised to power 4. If the question is of simplification, then you will write this answer. And if the question is for simplify and write the answer in the exponential form, then this will be your answer. So you can write both the answers together.